So these are purple yam cuttings. You can see there's quite a lot of purple on it. This is a African orange yam. There's a little bit of purple on it, but none on the leaves, veins. I'll just show you. This is another yam, I'm not sure what it's called, but the leaves are entirely green and the stems are green. And has a white tuber. Okay, so how I propagate the yams, I get a little tray, I put a piece of the wet moist cardboard in the bottom, then I just place my yam cuttings in the tray. Usually I'd fill it right up, but just for a demonstration. The soil, the potting mix. And you just want to cover. Just want to cover the stem and leave the leaves out of the soil. So it takes a couple of weeks before this little segments will get roots and a small tuber will start to form. And then I just put my fingers in, pull them out, and then cut them and pot them up.